There's many options across the HDI range of MLDs, from different screen sizes, 65, 75 and 86, even to the way that you actually mount those screens, whether it's on an electric height adjustable wall bracket, a mobile solution like we have here, or just installed on the wall traditionally. Those can be paired with different types of cameras depending on what your video conferencing needs are. One of the key decisions that schools are having to make when deploying this type of technology is what height to mount this on a wall. The Australian-made HDI electric height adjustable wall bracket gives you full flexibility across all our screen sizes, so you can have this at whatever height is best for that teacher or student. The screen has all of the essentials, the basics: 3mm toughened glass, you're not going to break it, standard inputs at the front for easy access, and a 4K resolution for a nice bright image on your screen. So one of the unique features we've engineered into our HDI Edge range is the slim IR bezel you'll see adopted within our technology. This is really important for a number of reasons. Number one, it looks thin, sleek and modern. But number two, on a practical note, it gets rid of what we call false triggering. So everybody that's used a touchscreen in the past with big chunky IR bezels around them will be aware that sometimes you can be near the screen and you'll develop your PowerPoint or your ink where you're not supposed to. That's what we call false triggering. With the Edge series and the slim IR technology, you literally have to touch the screen to develop and gesture control the content that you're presenting. So a feature we're really excited to introduce with the new HDI Edge series is the reduction of air gap between glass and LED. We've reduced that now to 0.2 mil. Why is that important for schools, teachers and students? Well, reason number one, it dramatically increases the viewing angle on the panel. For those that aren't front and center to the screen, they're going to get a greater viewing angle on any content that's played on the screen. It also significantly enhances the brightness of the screen and gives a better experience when viewing content. Another huge advantage in the reduction of the air gap is just how natural it feels with a writing experience or interacting with any content. Just here on a digital whiteboard, just being able to ink and having the pen ink come directly out of my finger with no gap, just makes for a more natural and more intuitive experience. So in each HDI Edge screen, you get a Android 8 user interface, which is just built around simplicity and the ease of use to be able to guide yourself around different inputs you have on the screen. So being able to go and grab your PC and get that up on the screen really simply. We also offer some basic functionality in here. HDI Note gives you a whiteboarding space that's very, very simple to use. The home button gets you back to the home page. And here you'll find a guide to this and also some key applications to get you online and be able to browse content, YouTube, directly from the screen. Within here as well, importantly, we've got our new Air Server application, which is built around students and teachers being able to grab any device and stream directly to the screen. So you can use this with iOS devices using AirPlay, we can use Miracast, and we can use Google Cast. So a whole array of devices can natively stream directly to our device. This one is Google Cast. Just get my Windows 10 PC up here, nice and clear. And I can also use AirPlay, for example, from an iOS device like my iPad here. So one device at a time, directly onto the screen, smooth mirroring, supporting video at 60 frames per second. So that was our quick product feature on the HDI Edge MLD series, particularly looking at the electric height adjustable model. We hope you enjoy the rest of the webinar. See you soon.